Quack. Welcome back to Celtic Farm, the place where we turn gardening challenges into green thumb victories. Today we're diving headfirst into a topic that keeps many garden enthusiasts up at night. Those small, sap-sucking saboteurs known as aphids. These tiny terrors might look harmless at first glance, but don't be fooled. They are capable of causing significant damage to your precious plants. Stick around as we delve into understanding these pests, discuss natural and chemical solutions to keep them at bay, and explore prevention tips to maintain a healthy, aphid-free garden. So grab your gardening gloves because it's time to tackle the aphid problem head-on. Aphids are small, sap-sucking pests that can wreak havoc on your garden, and they're part of the Aphididae family and come in colors like green, black, and pink. Tiny critters might seem harmless at first, but they can cause significant damage to your beloved plants, have piercing mouth parts they use to drain the sap from plants, not only weakens the plant, but can also stunt its growth and sometimes even kill it. But the damage doesn't stop there. They feed. Aphids excrete a sweet, sticky substance known as honeydew. Honeydew can attract other pests and is also a breeding ground for a fungus called sooty mold. Pests drain the life from plants and leave behind a sticky residue called honeydew, can lead to further issues like sooty mold. Okay, let's start with some gentle yet effective natural remedies. A strong jet of water can knock aphids right off your plants. This simple yet surprisingly effective method can be your first line of defense against these sap-sucking invaders. Remember, the goal is to dislodge them, not to damage your plants, so be mindful of the pressure. Next up, consider enlisting the help of nature's very own pest control squad. Introducing beneficial insects such as ladybugs, lacewings, or hoverflies into your garden can be an excellent way to keep aphid populations in check. These beneficial insects are natural predators of aphids and can help maintain a healthy balance in your garden ecosystem. Finally, let's talk about neem oil. Extracted from the seeds of the neem tree, this organic oil is a potent aphid deterrent. When applied, it coats the bodies of aphids and disrupts their feeding, eventually leading to their demise. Neem oil is another fantastic organic option. It disrupts the life cycle of aphids without harming beneficial insects. For severe infestations, you might consider chemical solutions. Insecticidal soaps are safe for plants and effective against aphids. These soaps disrupt the outer shell of aphids, causing them to dehydrate and die. They're easy to use too. Simply mix with water and spray directly onto your affected plants. But what if the infestation is deeply rooted or the aphids keep coming back? This is where systemic insecticides come into play. These potent chemicals are absorbed by the plant and poison any aphids that dare to feed on them. They're a powerful tool in our aphid fighting arsenal, but caution is key. Systemic insecticides can harm pollinators, so they should be used as a last resort. Systemic insecticides are another option. They protect plants from the inside out, but should be used as a last resort to minimize impact on pollinators. Prevention is key to maintaining a healthy garden. Regularly inspect your plants for signs of aphids and keep them healthy and well watered. It's important to remember that a well-nourished plant is less likely to fall victim to aphid infestations. So make sure your plants have all the nutrients they need through regular feedings and watering. In addition, don't underestimate the power of prevention strategies. One such strategy is the use of row covers. These covers serve as a physical barrier, protecting your plants from aphids, especially during peak aphid seasons. They are particularly beneficial for safeguarding vulnerable young plants that are most susceptible to damage. With these preventative measures in place, you can keep your garden aphid-free. That's it for today. Armed with these strategies, you're ready to tackle aphid problems head-on and keep your garden thriving. Understanding natural remedies, chemical solutions, and prevention are your best defenses. Forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for more gardening tips from Celtic Farm. Happy gardening.